speech for kids respecting others. My honorable principal, respected teachers, and dear school fellows, good morning. Today, the topic of my speech is respecting others. Respect is the only thing that we can give to anyone at any time. But once it is given, it confirms its return. It really costs nothing. This thing creates a magnificent betterment in our relationships and society. Respect is one of the basic human rights recognized by the UN. So it's our moral, social, and religious duty to give respect to gain respect. It's a reality that by giving disgrace to anyone, we can never receive the positive vibes. Considering everyone important increases harmony and love among the people. To make the world peaceful, it is necessary to respect nations, and for respecting the nations, it is necessary to respect the individuals. So, my dear friends, put your share and keep respecting each other. Thank you.